The Pencil Maker's Lesson. Once upon a time, in a quiet little workshop, a pencil maker carefully crafted his final pencil of the day. Before placing it into the box, he held it gently and whispered, "There are 5 things you must remember. First, you can do many great things, but only if you let someone guide you. We all need a hand to hold, a teacher to learn from, a friend to trust. No one succeeds completely alone. Second, you'll experience painful sharpening from time to time. Pain may change you, but it also shapes you into who you're meant to be. Growth isn't always comfortable, but it's always worth it. Third, you can always correct your mistakes. Every wrong turn is just another chance to start over. Perfection isn't the goal, progress is. Fourth, the most important part of you is what's inside. Your value doesn't come from how you look, but from your thoughts, your kindness, and your heart. And finally, wherever you go, leave your mark, and always do your best. Because your purpose isn't just to exist, it's to make the world a little brighter than you found it." And so, the pencil went into its box, carrying 5 powerful lessons that would guide it through life. If this story inspired you, share, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories that touch the heart.